Fuck out of here.
My man.
Bro,
Man, come on, Big Zoe.
That nigga need an appointment. He burning.
Yeah, Ryan, why you did it to me? Come on, Ryan, why you did it to me?
Vlogging.
anybody else need a med kit?
Yeah, you
Lilo.
Zoe, you got me, cuz?
yeah, you set up.
I'm set up. Shit, who my fucking doctor?
You need to get him them antibiotics.
Who is
It's
that?
blowing
Sorry,
up.
you moved down, girl. Hey, Ryan.
Hey, Lilo.
Hey,
Go to the back. They
girl.
can assist you.
A med kit.
Go to the back. Hey, but
Dr. Comfort, nigga, you on
man,
fourth.
please do not send no fucking dude in there, cuz. Do not send no dude in
Nigga,
there.
you on fourth.
Where Karma just go?
Man, I
Nigga
like
come in
all
that
the
bitch. They
beaches
gonna
and
see a
the
big ass
magic.
King
No,
Kong.
pretty nice ass.
Hey, Dr. Lilo?
Hey, Dr. Lilo.
Oh, she ain't no more. She gone. She ain't have
Somebody gonna see him back there.
Damn, I like your skirt.
Hey,
That shit short as fuck.
Man, shut the fuck up.
una pregunta, ¿tú sabes leer?
You tell remember that.
See,
Thank you.
Are you around, Dr. Amari?
Esto es una pregunta.
Can I ask you
Yeah.
something?
Cuz, get out, bro.
My blood
Is that
pressure.
dude?
My blood pressure.
Mama, you
We
good,
having
mama?
niggas
All
running,
them
you
fucking
heard?
Got med
cigarettes you
kit.
been
Got some
smoking. I
perks.
told you leave that shit alone.
Got some
Be
trauma
really
med.
on
Man, your shit stepped on, nigga. That ain't no real perk. Shut your
Hey,
goof ass
Red.
up, boy.
Who got Perkies? I need a Xano.
You
Who
good?
told me to
Everything
stop smoking
Man,
okay?
who selling
cigarettes?
Perks, man?
Fake
Who
ass
selling Perks?
yerks and perks, nigga. Knock it off,
Damn, what I
nigga. Fake
do?
Xans and all, nigga. Don't OD
Y'all got
fucking
Xan?
with
Who
the
got
fat.
Xan?
Shut
I need a
up,
Man, let
my
me
Xan.
buy them
nigga, my
perks. Who's
nigga,
selling perks? Let me
shalom.
buy them perks.
You heal clean?
I
Y'all
got
talking
perks
about
by the
Perks.
thousands. You really
Man,
want
give
them?
me a Mackie, please. What you
Yeah,
need?
let me get them shit, bro.
Give me a Mackie.
Alright, you gonna be
Give me a
like
Mackie,
Kodak.
please.
You gonna pop this bitch like a
Era
gremlin
loco.
because you knew it's fake.
Yo te vendo un Mustang.
Let me get
Yo
them,
te
bro. Let
vendo
me
un
get them
Mustang.
pop back up. Oh,
Fuck
bro.
you mean,
Fuck you,
boy? You
bro.
want how many you want, nigga?
I love
You
that
better
hat.
tap in, boy. Fuck
Your
on
mom.
this
Give
shit
me
hit
four
different.
of them bitches. Give me four of them bitches. Four. Hear what I said?
Alright, I'm telling you, we
What you
from the
was saying?
land this way, boy. You gonna get
Careful
what you
over there,
get.
Bria.
And bitches look like they supposed to be. I'm out of here. Let me
Damn,
stop
I
playing.
still
I'm
can't hear
playing. I'm
you.
going. I'm going. I'm just going.
You can talk now.
Thank you, my hoodie.
I'm back here chilling, waiting for patients. It's
You
doctor's
about
office.
you about to be here the whole time?
I ain't driving no damn up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Boo bag.
I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, don't no patients be walking down
Damn, Unc. Get off the game. Boo bag.
here? They be walking down here?
Yeah, if they see us.
Oh, okay.
They were right here. Can I get a med kid?
Yeah.
You ain't had to do all that, no.
Where's your bar at?
That's how you do it.
Can you get a mag kit, please?
Oh.
Thank you.
well,
It's
look.
like
I'm coming.
25.
That way.
Can I get a make it?
I said, I'm coming.
Yeah, I got you.
I'm coming.
Mira, el de México, ¿me
I
puede
bet.
venir a arreglar el carro?
Oh, my bad.
Hey, to do this CPR thing, I gotta go outside.
You told me to join and I did.
Are you talking to me?
You already back in this?
I'll be
But no,
back in my white coat up in here in a week, you know.
Yeah,
so
I
look,
just mine in like 4 days.
selling med kits too, right? You do med deliveries, right? That's another way to gain your HP.
What's the
Big
word?
Zoe. Hey, Big, sing your song real quick.
That is house beats with.
I ain't clapping nothing in the week. Same
Give
closing
me a
last week.
maker. Give me a maker,
That's
girl.
what we need in here. Some sage. Yes.
I have a question. How do I become CPR?
I'm
Hello. Hey, how you been?
Pretty, what are you doing?
I know, man. I was trying to level up. So once I get a coat, I'll go ahead and go on my first
Nah,
vacation.
you lying. You trying to miss that meeting, girl. You better stay.
Big Zo, who gonna do my appointment,
It's
bro?
about that time. It's like about an hour and 10 minutes.
I've been back here
Killer.
for like 30 minutes.
Hey,
I'm
I
about to
can
go
clock out
fix
whenever
me
I want
right
to.
now, son.
All right, but
Why you standing
JJ.
in the corner?
Can I get a med kit?
Nah, give me about
Yeah.
5 to 10 minutes.
What's up, JJ?
Just
Thank
ask
you.
me
You need
when I
something?
start.
You welcome. Have a good day.
I don't like keep
You
asking me.
too, girl.
Big Zoo, what's up with it, bro?
Okay.
What's up?
Brandon, you
I
bald
can't
head.
give you shit. I'm sorry, I can't give you nothing.
What?
Some dude back there talking
stop
about
fucking playing
somebody
with
need to
me.
see him about an
Wait on
appointment.
me, wait on you,
I'll
wait on
beat
you.
your ass.
Send them,
Wait on
send,
you,
send your
wait
ass.
on you.
Who
You
said?
know better. Trust me, you know better.
Omega.
Hello.
Where you at, though?
What y'all make?
Omega.
Tu tá?
Did you get that med kit?
You ain't know
Where
what?
you at?
Where you go? I'm right
Get
here.
off the floor. You cannot stand on the floor.
¿Dónde estás?
They still saying that.
Omega.
You ain't come to see
Hello.
me yet. Fuck you.
Omega.
¿Dónde estás?
You ain't invite me. You
Come
ain't
on, let's
invite
go.
me.
Let's go. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Yo, what up?
Medic,
I'm at
medic,
the
please.
hospital
Medic.
trolling.
Give me a medic.
Put your gun up.
It's a med kit, nigga. You're not a medic.
Pussy.
Please.
No, just invite me.
Brandy, come on. We need a
I
white
can't
coat
drive there. I ain't
outside.
got no leg.
Caitlin.
Man, your ass finna take an hour. All right.
Ty.
What the fuck? All right.
Setting is forbidden. Punishment is 1 warning. MD6. Selling.
Period.
Sorry, continue.
Never heard that before.
Oh, my fault. My fault. Oh, shit.
Never
What's
heard
up,
that before.
Rose? I mean, Ross?
You good, Ross?
Is he talking?
Is that 6?
Yo, Slim Rock, cuz who doing my appointment, bro?
Oh shit.
Oh, shit. She calling again. Hello? Man, I ain't finna send shit. Because I want you to add me to it.
I don't care.
How do I perform CPR?
Nah, it was you. It was you.
I don't even know if I ever got back in. Delete it. Yeah, take that out of here. You getting deleted.
By yourself? Oh, how much that?
What the fuck? These medics are half-ass. Dead ass. These medics are straight
Man,
half
when you gonna
fucking
invite me to
ass.
the game?
What's
How
up
the
though?
fuck
Like
you
when I
walk
called
into somebody and let them die?
I called the ambulance, like why nobody showed up? Like what's up?
That's what I'm saying. What the fuck?
That's all right. Roll.
Yeah. For a goddamn thing.
Well,
Every nigga, what?
That's just some motherfucking good news.
Okay. Let me check real quick.
Come on.
Say what? What's up, dude? Well, what you got going on here?
I'm just chatting with Dr. Nanny through chat. But what's up? You want to use sleeping already?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm
You
good.
said what? What about? Oh, Wolf. What is it?
Yeah, gay.
See, now you lit. Oh, Summer, where you at?
But
Bring
you
it to me.
fucking gay. Go, you gay, boy.
Give me
Help,
medic.
help. I'm getting raped. Help, rape.
Give me medic.
Man, you a bunch of cap.
Go to the back.
Good.
Man, Daniel, stop playing with me, bitch.
Damn.
It's Unk.
Why does summer hair so flat? Damn.
Nigga, what?
No,
Yo.
Summer.
You a
Summer,
grown
that
ass
man just said
man.
you got
You a
a.
grown ass man. You just said some
That
gay
man
shit
just
like
said you got
that?
a pimper ass. Summer, you gonna let
Oh
him
my
talk to you like that?
god. Niggas is 30 saying some gay
Summer,
shit. I can't
summer
believe
got a
it.
flat ass.
Bro.
Bro,
Damn.
chill, cuz.
Yeah, hit you with a switch though.
Come
That
on.
nigga was so mad he spit all on the carpet.
Hello?
Fuck. What? How the
I
fuck
just
are you
told you I
this?
ain't got no legs.
Purple is my color.
Nah. Hey, quick questions. Not you, nigga. Tori. I'm sorry, that ain't your name. Tia. Y'all can't have guns or something?
Starving, bro.
No, we are not supposed to.
Damn, so y'all just live without hood rat asses and y'all ain't got no guns? That's crazy.
I mean, we have guns. We just are not allowed to use them.
No way.
No man.
Listen, Forrest Gump, I will blow your head off.
Yeah, you could keep it 100 with me. Like, on
That's
some big
nice.
sister shit, on some L's, like big sis, on some little
Yeah,
bro
yeah,
shit.
doc. You seen that, right,
I
doctor?
can't hear you.
Yeah, you ain't know your
What you
boss
say?
was right
I
there.
said
You ain't know your
on some
boss was
big
right
shit,
there.
little
Yeah,
bro
doc,
shit.
fire
Like,
that
I'm
nigga. He
ugly,
pointed a
you
gun
know
at
me.
me. Yeah.
Nope, I can't hear you at all. They talking too much.
I'm gonna need y'all shut the fuck up, bro. Whole ass
Nigga,
nigga. Anyway.
you sound like a bitch ass nigga. Shut your bitch ass up.
Oh my god, he's a grown ass man. Suck his dick. Oh my god. Oh
What
my
You
god.
gotta get off the floor, go behind the
What
net.
is
Yo,
He's
I
a
don't
he?
know.
grown ass man, bitch. My dick.
the
I don't know exactly what your
I said,
problem is,
bro, get out
bro.
my face, my nigga.